Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're bringing a little bit of the salon right to your fingertips, literally. For those of you who want salon-quality nails without the commitment, this one's for you. Let's take a closer look at the KISS Salon X-tend press-on nails in Nonsense, light white, short almond shape. With everything you need for a flawless gel-like finish, this kit promises long-lasting, bend-resistant nails. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, this set features pre-sculpted nail tips that are available in a variety of lengths, shapes, and designs. The one we're reviewing is the Almond Shape in a subtle light white shade, which I find to be universally flattering. The best part? It comes with KISS's LED soft gel nail system, which includes a 5mm tube of LED soft gel adhesive, a mini nail file, prep pad, and even a manicure stick. You'll need to buy the LED lamp separately, but the whole system is designed to give you salon-quality results without stepping foot in a nail salon. Now, I tested this product over a few days to see how it stacks up against my usual nail routine. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to apply. The adhesive comes with a precision nozzle, which makes it simple to control and apply without any mess. It's as easy as applying the glue to the back of the nail tips, pressing them onto your natural nails, and using the motion-activated LED lamp to cure them into place. The lamp is super ergonomic, which is a nice touch because it feels really natural when you're using it. One of the standout features is how flexible and comfortable these nails feel once applied. They're not rigid and they don't feel bulky, just a seamless, bend-resistant fit. In fact, the set claims that they will stay in place for up to 14 days, which I found to be pretty accurate based on my experience. I wore them during my daily routine, including some hand washing and light cleaning, and the nails held up well. There were no chips or cracks, and they didn't lift at the edges. But of course, no product is without its flaws. While the adhesive works well, I did notice that the nails could get slightly loose at the tips after several days of wear, particularly around the edges. Nothing major, but just something to note if you're planning on wearing them for the full 2 weeks. Additionally, while the adhesive's precision nozzle is convenient, I did have to be careful not to apply too much glue, as it could spill out when overused. When it comes to value for money, the price of this set seems to strike a good balance between quality and affordability. Considering the results I got, I would say that it's definitely worth it. Especially if you're someone who enjoys DIY manicures but wants a professional finish. Just remember, the LED lamp is sold separately, so you'll need to factor that cost in if you don't already own one. So, what about alternatives? Well, if you're looking for a similar experience, but maybe at a lower price point, there are a few press-on nails on the market that could provide a similar look. However, the LED soft gel system sets this KISS kit apart from traditional press-on nails because it offers a longer-lasting, salon-like finish. For those who are more budget-conscious, you might be able to find good options that still give you that polished look, but they may not be as durable as this system. As for build quality, these nails are well made, and the materials feel sturdy but flexible. The LED soft gel adhesive works just as advertised, offering a firm yet comfortable fit without the bulkiness that some press-ons can have. And I have to say, I was impressed by the ease of removal. You can soak them off or use KISS's glue off remover, both of which were gentle on my nails and didn't cause any damage. A huge bonus for anyone who's worried about removing press-ons the wrong way. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In conclusion, the KISS Salon X-tend press-on nails in Nonsense provide a solid option for those looking for a convenient and durable at-home manicure. They're easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and offer a long-lasting, salon-quality result that stays put for up to 14 days. The only minor downside is the potential for lifting at the edges after prolonged wear, but overall, this product delivers impressive results. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link in the description for where to purchase these nails. If you've used them already, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.